Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I wanted to do a slay or so today I have a wig and I want to see if I can slay it or not. It is like a curly, like human hair fro type wig. It's like a natural looking human hair wig. So I want to know if I can slay it or not. So I want you guys to tell me if you like this wig or not. So I'm gonna go ahead, put my wig cap on. It is a full cap wig, which means that there is no lace to cut. You just place it on your head. This wig does come with straps, but it does not come with a comb. So this is all I do, and voila. So I have a pick. I'm gonna see if, because a lot of people wear their hair like this, so that's why I got this wig, because my real hair is actually short, but it's like a mohawk. And I've been liking really short wigs. So I'm going to see if I can kind of style her. And I want you guys to tell me if you like it or not. So this is probably going to be a speed through. So y'all, this hair was sent to me by TTHair. This hair is from Amazon. You can get it off Prime. It is $25.99. It is a human hair wig, and I was excited to receive this hair. So thank you TTHair for sending me this unit. And yeah, this is just me styling it. All right, I'm all finished. So I want to try this wig because I normally do like certain type of wigs. I either do like curly long wigs or bobs and a lot of blondes. So I never do hardly ever like natural wigs. So I want to try to do all categories of different hair types so that I can accommodate the audience that I have so that everybody is pleased. So I do like how this is. This is kind of cute. It's not per se my style, but I know a lot of people who actually wear their hair like this. And I try to pick it out as best as I could without taking too long. But this can come out way better how I got it. I know a lot of people wear their hair like this, and on days where they forget to curl it or whatnot, they can just pop this on their hair. I know a lot of natural girls that are going natural. Sometimes they wear their hair like this, or sometimes they do like two like puff balls in the front and then just have it like this. But this is a good wig for natural hair gals who don't have the time in the morning. And this is 100% human hair. I will have a link in the description box if you guys are interested. This looks nice. So I'm going to do a 360 front, side, back. So let me know if you would slay this wig, if you wouldn't, and why. And yeah, just let me know in the description box. Before I end this video, I want to jump into the specs. I just jumped right into it, but yeah, let me jump into the specs real quick. The cap is on the average side. If you have a big head, it might fit snug on you, but it's more on the average small side, so do keep that in mind. The density, as you can see, this is the density. It's like a natural fro density. The texture is human hair Brazilian. I did get a bit of shedding. I'm not sure if that's with me combing the hair, because it is, as you can see, it's like tightly curled. So I am picking it out. So when you do get this, you will have to pick it out or just wear it how it came. And then since this is a full cap, there is no parting at all. You just wear it like this and you cannot part it. All you're gonna see if you do that is just probably tracks if you was to do that. So that's all I have to say on this wig. Let me know how you guys feel about it. I want to step out the box to see if I can slay. So thanks y'all for watching. See you guys later. Bye.